Yo, what's good guys? So it's been a while since we made a video, so today we're just gonna do a quick little video and we're gonna replace the headlights on the Corolla. So I wasn't really planning on replacing the headlights, but I recently got like a rock that actually hit right there and chipped. It's like a super tiny hole in the front of the headlight, but it like shattered through the back, so water actually gets in now. And the headlights, I put like LEDs in them, but I don't think I bought pretty good ones, so they've been not really working when it's cold out until they like warm up or something. So instead of going to the junkyard and getting a new like used light, we went ahead and we just went and got them old faithful headlights off eBay. All right, so I already opened one, but let's just unbox this one right here just so you can see. Yeah, as you can see, we got these cool little bubbles, like little yogurt wraps. And then this headlight is actually wrapped up. Let me get a tripod real quick. So I went with like I think they're like the blacked out version. I know there's like a clear version where this is like all like chrome and whatnot, but I guess I just decided to go to the black one. It's not really that expensive. I think I paid like $120 for these. So it comes with this light, this headlight back right there. It honestly looks pretty good for what they're worth. Not gonna lie, I actually like them a lot. And then it comes with the side marker lights. They're just like a little upgrade of those ones, but not too bad, not too shabby. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and install these today. Go ahead and take this grill off. So we ended up taking two 10 mil bolts off right there. There's a 10 mil bolt up here, and then a screw right there, another screw right there, and then a hidden 12 mil that went way back here, a little sneaky guy, which that's what you need. But now that we have that off, we can switch over to the new headlight. We're gonna use the actual OEM light bulb that came with my car, because the LED lights that I bought aren't working anymore. It's either high beam or nothing, and I don't really want to blind people anymore, but let's get it done. I don't know if this is for like other cars, but like my bulb doesn't really like have grooves that it like fits in. It's really just like on there and stood in by pressure by this bolt or by this little spring. But I mean, it still looks fine. So what I'm gonna do is probably cut like some of this rubber off, because this plug is really big for this, just so I can fit it over that. And we'll go ahead and put it on the car. Go ahead and put this side marker light on. It's not that cool looking, but it's new. These are the difference right there. That's this freaking stock line compared to this new one. Oh, sick. It has its own fucking holder right here. Alright guys, so I ended up taking like this rubber piece off that goes around like this part of the light. One of them actually was stuck on like it's supposed to be, and the other side it just like came undone already. So, and it was kind of like faded already, like some crappy rubber. So I went to the store and just bought like this door trim, which is just like a shiny black. So if it ever fades, I can just put some more and new ones on, but this is what it looks like now. So I ended up putting it all the way around there, and I think this will keep its shape better because it's a little bit thicker than that foam stuff, and it actually filled in the fender gap a lot better, and it looks way nicer than like the faded foam. So these lights are honestly not too bad for the price I paid. When I bought them, I actually thought that they were gonna be like actual like plastic headlights, like what new cars have, but this side is plastic for sure. But this side's actually glass. I didn't even notice, but that's pretty sick. So I'm pretty stoked with that. So hopefully this is gonna help give me some more visibility, and it actually makes the front end look even more cooler. I just need to get like a better license plate because this one's all bent up, but slowly this front end is looking pretty sick. All right guys, so that was just gonna be a quick video for this week. Front end looks a lot better than it was, and now we don't have a hole in the actual light. Hopefully we get a little bit more visibility later at night. Thanks again for watching. If you guys want to thumb wrestle like always, you know, throw it down there below. And hopefully these next couple weeks I get to the grind and get more stuff done and produce some cooler content for you guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, what's up?